And now it's time for Kate's Spice Advice.
So today we're doing a brief talk about salt. So here's a secret. All salt comes from the sea. The term sea salt is a marketing term. Prime example, Himalayan pink sea salt. There's no seas around the Himalayas. This is an ancient seabed that dried up about 650 million years ago. It's considered to be really healthy for you because it has 84 trace minerals, thus the pink color, really high in magnesium and iron. Then there's the salts that are harvested directly from the sea. We've got two examples here. We've got a gray sea salt and a French fleur de sel. They're harvested in the Celtic manner where they dig a pool, allow the water to start to evaporate. As the crystals evaporate, they put it into a pyramid. The very top layer of the pyramid is the fleur de sel, or the flower of the salt. It's a bleached salt, it's very pretty. Gray sea salt is the layer directly underneath it. Looks kind of dirty, but that's because it has higher trace minerals in it. It is considered to be a healthier salt for you. Fleur de sel is a finishing salt. These other ones can be a cooking salt or a finishing salt.
And that's the disco dish.